Well, happy Tuesday, everyone. As we take a look outside, we're starting to see some changes developing. We kicked off the day with lots of sunshine. Now we're seeing clouds mixing in with the sun, and the temperatures, oh yeah, they're warming up as well. Check it out. We've got numbers into the upper 70s across the area, 78 degrees at the airport. Winds are out of the south and west today, and that's pumping in that warmth. You can clearly see, though, where the clouds and the cooler air is. It's just off to our north and west. Waterloo sitting at 58 degrees currently this afternoon, but notice here in the Quad Cities, again, we're at 78, 77 in Clinton, 77 in Muscatine, 80 degrees currently in Macomb, and we have 79 degrees in Princeton as well. So we've got the warm and unstable air mass in place locally. You've got the clouds and the more stable air off to our north and west. So right now what you're seeing on radar is really nothing strong to severe, and that's because the instability out to the west is nothing like what we have over the immediate Quad Cities area, but you're starting to see more changes showing up on radar. Now we've got a couple of showers popping up. This is nothing strong or severe, but already developing here. One near Kelowna making its way up towards Iowa City, and we're seeing another one down towards the Wayland area. But that's just the beginning of this activity moving in. You can see as I expand the view off to the west, much more activity associated from Waterloo back down towards the Des Moines area and into northern Missouri. And again, this is making its way out of a more stable air mass into a more unstable air mass. And so that's what we're going to be watching as we await that cold front makes its way across the area this afternoon. It's going to be able to kind of start to foster up a few more storms that could be a little more on the strong to severe side as we go into the afternoon hours. So that's what we're going to be watching. In fact, the entire area has that risk of seeing severe weather as we go throughout your Tuesday afternoon. Again, damaging winds and large hail is the primary threat. Can't rule out an isolated tornado threat at any time, but of course, I think the main focus will be the potential of some of those damaging winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour. And again, this is something that we're going to be watching for the entire area as we go throughout the afternoon hours. So let me show you the timing of this. I know a lot of people have plans, whether it's after school activities or if you're getting ready to get off work, heading home for your afternoon commute. When can you expect those storms in your neighborhood? Well, again, most of that activity is off to our west now, but as we walk you through the next couple of hours, we do expect this to start to make its way into the western half of the area here. This will be around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So folks from Galena down towards Iowa City, Muscatine, and Mount Pleasant, you guys could be the first to start seeing some of these showers and thunderstorms moving into your area. And then between the hours of about 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the afternoon, that's when I think most of this activity will make its way towards the river. So central portions of the area from the Quad Cities up towards Clinton, over towards Galena, and down towards the Galesburg area. And then as we go from 6 and 7, 8 o'clock in the evening time, we'll see that activity making its way towards Princeton, Kewanee, over towards the Rock Falls community, and then it should be making its way out of the entire area by 10 o'clock, and I think we'll start to dry things out, and then we start to focus on what's coming behind the cold front. So ahead of the front today, very warm and unstable. Behind that cold front, we're going to usher in those cooler northwesterly winds, and so that means some cool air will be heading our way. Now this afternoon, look at this, highs again in the upper 70s, right around 80 with those showers and thunderstorms moving in from the west ahead of that cold front. But once that front moves through tonight, hey, we're headed back down into the 40s as we start off your Wednesday morning, and high temperatures on your Wednesday afternoon with lots of sunshine returning only back into the 60s. So we are going to be cooling it back down to well below normal temperatures behind this cold front. Here's your 7-day forecast. Again, a first alert day for this afternoon with showers and thunderstorms between about 2 and 8 o'clock in the evening. And then behind that front, it turns cooler with highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s. And then as we head throughout the weekend, I'm not expecting a washout, but there will be an off and on chance